What's up, guys? So today we're going to be installing Boss 302 Alternator Kit on my 2011 Mustang GT. This kit was less than $400. It comes with the Boss 302 alternator, your tensioner, a metal idler pulley, and then a new belt. So first thing we're going to do is unhook our battery. And after that, we'll work on getting the air intake off so we can get direct access to the alternator, which is right down here. Now that we got that off, let's take this air box out. Now that we got the air box out, you can see we got a clear shot to the alternator here. Plenty of space, shouldn't be an issue getting that out. So the tensioner, you're gonna put a 15 millimeter on it, and you're gonna pull to the passenger side to release tension. If you pull this boot up, there's a nut here we need to take off. This is gonna be a 13 millimeter for the nut, and then there's a plug on the back side to disconnect. There it is. Got both of our cables disconnected from the alternator. Alright, tensioner's off, bolt is out. The kit is going to come with brand new hardware. We already broke this nut loose. Alright, now that we got that out the way, let's get this last bolt out the alternator. It's going to be another 15 millimeter. All right, alternator is out. Well, pretty much every video online says and shows people taking the alternator out, bringing it through this gap here, moving this hose out the way. That didn't work for me at all. I'm out of breath fighting it. This is all sweat. I had much better luck coming to this side, and I was able to get it out in like 20 seconds. So now let's go ahead and get this plastic idler pulley off. And that's going to be a 13 millimeter for the idler pulley. And there she is. This is the one that comes with the kit. It's metal. We're definitely putting that on. All right, idler pulley is on. Before we can throw the belt tensioner on, we need to go ahead and install the alternator. All right, so both the idler pulley and tensioner are both in place. I'm just gonna torque everything down real quick. And for the belt, if you don't remember how it came off, just go online and find a serpentine belt diagram for this motor. Just got the serpentine belt on. So that's pretty much it for the alternator install. Pretty simple. The kit comes with everything you need. I'm gonna wash the car, take it for a drive, see how it's running. Next thing I'll be doing to the car is doing a rear bumper swap. I'm gonna throw a 2014 bumper on it. I'm gonna probably do the RTR license plate inserts with the 2 ducts in the back. So yeah, that'll be the next install video. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one.